Hello friends, my name is Archana and today together we will build a flow which will send automated email to opportunity owner and contact roles. We will send these emails on weekly basis before a month of expiry of our agreement with the client. So to start with that, we will consider this opportunity which has our confidentiality agreement start date, end date, and days for renewal. And we want to send the automated email when remaining days are less than 30. It means a month before our agreement get expire. So let's start to build a flow. We'll go to setup and we will look for flow in here. We'll start with new flow and we'll create a flow from scratch. We are going to select schedule trigger flow because we want to send it every week till our expiry date is achieved. So I want to start this from today and my email should go to my client at 11 in morning so that the first thing he see is our email 11 and we want to it on weekly basis. After doing this, we need to select the triggering conditions. So I'm doing it for opportunity where when the days are less than or equal to 30, it means a month, and the days are greater than or equal to 0. These are our conditions. Okay, since now we have set the start conditions, let's first work on getting the record from contact role. So we want to get the records from opportunity contact records. Get opportunity contact role and we will find the record here, opportunity contact role. Now let's mention the conditions. So our conditions should be that its opportunity ID should match with the opportunity ID of triggering record. It means this ID. And we want to send email to only those contact role which are in role of decision maker. So we are going to put that filter here. So it will only pull the record which has role as decision maker. So only first record automatically store all the records. So I'll leave it as it is. Let Salesforce store all the details about this record. Now, once we find the record from contact role, now we would like to get details of that contact role like email, name and all. So let's do another get records. This time we are going to get contact role details. So let's find out the details of that contact with role as decision maker. So here my contact ID should match with contact ID from opportunity contact role. This time I'll select only the first record and I would store all the fields into a separate variable so that I can use that variable to send out the emails. So this variable I'm gonna keep it as, you can name it contact role details, and this should be record type because we are storing contact record details. First thing is I want to store email because I want to send out email to this person. Then maybe other variables, first name, full name. So now I have all the details of contact role Now I want to get all the details for owners so that I can send email to owner as well. Get opportunity. User ID should match with the user ID from opportunity, and only the first record. I want to store details for owner. Would like that to store in a separate variable, and I can call this as owner details. This will be record type variable and the object will be user. And you can store here email first field, then we can store first name and name. You can store other variables as well as per your requirement. Once we have all the details, let's store all the email, assign all the email to whom we want to send out the email. Assign let's create a collection variable to store all the recipient email. And this will be text, and we want to store more than one email here. Done. Now we have created the collection variable. Now let's add email. So owner details, let's store owner email. Then now let's store contact role details. So now we have all the recipient emails with us. After that, we can send out the emails. From action, select send email and give it a name. So to send out email, you should have minimum of body. So to format body in a good style, you can create a resource of text template type, and you can say email body, and you can keep body as you want, whatever content you would like to keep. View it as plain text so that it is viewed as plain text and not with HTML letters. So convert it into view as plain text. And now if you want to pull out details like contact roles first name, so hi first name, your renew is coming soon. You can write anything as per your requirement and say done. So you now have your email body. Then recipient collection list. We already created a collection of more than one email. So we have recipient email collection. And then last thing is select a subject. You can again create a subject template. And can give it any name, renew alert or anything. You can bring resources as well from any field from your record and view it as plain text so that you don't see any extra letters. So we are good with email subject. And now let's save it. Give it a good name like how to send automated emails to opportunity owner and primary contact role. You can add more descriptions to this flow and to save. Now we have this ready. Let's debug this. And you can see we were considering this opportunity. This opportunity has 2 contact role, out of which only one is decision maker, other is business user. So according to my flow, only this contact should be pulled to send out the email and the owner should be pulled, right? So if we see here, we do see that email, this is for the contact, and this one has R0 Thakur. So let's debug our flow for this opportunity. So to debug, I'm going to skip the start conditions, run, and you can see, you can check all the steps, how flow started. And then first condition is record successfully found. So we found the contact role, we got all the contact details, then we got the owner record successfully, and we assigned, you can see there are 2 emails. So we have owner email and the contact role email. And then if we come to the email sent, so you can see the recipient list has 2 emails and its subject is this, renew alert, body as we listed in there. So our flow is working fine. So you can then activate it, and now this flow will send automatic email to owner and contact role of decision maker every week from a month before our contract is expired, right? I hope this will help you. If you have some issue with email deliverability, you can refer the link given in below description. That will help you a lot. So I hope this flow could help you somewhere. I'm happy to bring this here. Thank you so much. If you find this useful, please subscribe my channel, where I'll be posting short videos on learning. Thank you.